Hello, Strain. Development of Civilization, Chapter 6 Solution. Answer the following questions. List any three features of the Indus Valley civilization which tell us that it was urban civilization. Three features of Indus Valley civilization are as follow: the house and other living buildings. Constructions were imitating the urban culture of construction. The people of Indus Valley civilization insist upon the cleanness of their living society, due to which they construct drainage system as it was seen in urban areas. The inner constructions of the house found in Harappan civilization were having bathrooms with bathtubs as well as separate small size room for clothing, etc. All these things are proof that the Indus Valley civilization was urban civilization. Question number 2. What reason were responsible for the decline of Harappan culture? क्या कारण था जिसके कारण जो हरप्पन कल्चर जो है वो डिक्लाइन हुआ, यानी कि धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हुआ. It is believed that the cause of decline may have been a natural disaster. कुछ लोगों का मानना है कि नेचुरल डिजास्टर कोई आया होगा, उसके कारण से ये हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन जो है ख़त्म हुई होगी. या लाइक एन अर्थक्वेक, फ्लड और चेंज द कोर्स ऑफ रिवर इंदस, यानी इंदस रिवर ने अपना रास्ता बदला होगा, इसके कारण जो है ये डिक्लाइन हुआ होगा. Number 3. Explain town planning system of the Indus people. The excavation proved that the city were well planned. Cities were divided into two parts. The upper part was called citadel and the lower part was known as the lower town. The citadel was central part of the city. It includes important buildings like Great Bath, Granary and town halls. The people of that times technologically advanced and very knowledgeable in the laying out of the constructions of the city as a whole. Question number 4. Which two things help the people of Indus Valley to have bumper harvest and how? वो कौन सी दो चीज़ें थी जिससे कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में बहुत अच्छी खासी फसल होती थी, बम्पर हार्वेस्ट होती थी? तो सबसे बड़ा कारण था एनुअल फ्लड. वहाँ पे जो बाढ़ आया करती थी उससे जो है सॉइल जो है रिन्यू हो जाता था, इससे हार्वेस्ट अच्छा होता था, सेकेंड क्रॉप जो होती थी वो अच्छी होती थी. द एनुअल फ्लड इन इंडस renew and enrich the soil for good harvest of cotton, wheat and barley. The farmer were aware of the different methods of irrigation. और इसके साथ साथ वहाँ के जो फार्मर्स थे उनको इस तरीके का नॉलेज था कि हमें किस तरह से इरिगेशन करना है. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Bring out the similarities and difference between the features of Indus Valley civilization and the Egyptian civilization. The following are the difference between the of the Indus Valley civilization and the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization flourished around the river Nile, whereas the Indus Valley civilization flourished around the river Indus. The agriculture of the people of Egyptian civilization depend on flooding of Nile river, whereas the annual monsoon was the main source of water for agriculture in the Indus river. The artists of Egyptian civilization built temples, pyramids, and extensive statues of gods and kings. However, the artists of Indus Valley civilization made comparatively small figure of humans and animals like toys, poetry, etc. Okay, thanks for watching.